In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change photo color using ClipDrop Relight. By the end, you'll know how to load a photo, adjust its colors using Relight's controls, and save a polished result, all right in your browser. First, open your web browser and head to clipdrop.co. This is the home base for all ClipDrop tools. When the page loads, look for the navigation menu and click on Tools. This opens a gallery of features. Find Relight and click it. Relight is designed to simulate lighting and color in a realistic way, which makes it great for shifting the overall feel or specific hues in your photo. On the Relight page, you'll see a large upload area that says click, paste, or drop a file here to start. Go ahead and click that. You can also drag and drop an image from your desktop or paste one from your clipboard. Most common formats like JPG and PNG work well. Choose the image you want to work with. For the best results, pick a photo with a clear subject and reasonably good lighting. Strong contrasts and defined edges help the tool understand what to adjust. Once you select your image, you may see a prompt that says downscale and continue. This option reduces the resolution slightly so processing is faster. If you see it, click downscale and continue. It won't change your original file, it just optimizes the preview for the web. Now you're in the editing view. This is where you choose a color to change. Use the on-screen color controls to select the hue you want to shift. If there's a color swatch or eyedropper, pick the area in your photo you want to target, like a shirt, a product, or a background tone. Then adjust the new color by moving through the color wheel or sliders. Subtle changes usually look more natural, so start small and build up. If Relight offers intensity or temperature controls, use them to fine-tune how strong and warm or cool your new color appears. Zoom in to check edges and textures, and use undo if a change goes too far. When you're happy with the result, click download. Your edited image will save to your default downloads folder. If you have the option to choose a format, JPG is great for everyday use, while PNG preserves more detail for graphics or transparency. Consider renaming the file so you can easily find it later. That's it. Go to ClipDrop, open Tools, choose Relight, upload your image, downscale if prompted, pick the color you want to change, and download the finished photo. Try a few variations to see what fits your style best.